Good afternoon. Heavy rain is set to drench the capital and surrounding regions through Friday night, with up to 300 millimeters of downpours expected, while the autumn monsoon will continue into tomorrow in the southern parts of the country. And after the rain, we'll need to brace for the 13th typhoon of the season, Lingling. Lingling is gaining its strength and is likely to move up north towards the Korean Peninsula, possibly hitting Seoul by noon on Saturday. So do stay alert and monitor the situation. And daily highs for today will be a tad lower than yesterday, ranging from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, Seoul getting up to 26 degrees this afternoon. So we'll have to wait until next Monday to see the sun. Until then, brace for heavy rain along with strong winds. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for viewers around the world.